President Salva Kiir has ordered the evacuation of Miss Deaf Africa Josephine Kiden, who was hit by a stray bullet, to Nairobi, Kenya for further treatment as the government takes blame for the shooting. The survivor's interpreter, who identified herself as Grace, said the government will take full responsibility for Josephine's treatment. Young Josephine Kiden, last year's winner of Miss Deaf Africa contest in Tanzania, was on her way home with friends from Kanyo when she was hit by a bullet from a police officer allegedly firing at a burglar. She sustained injuries on her left arm on the Wednesday evening incident in Juba. She is currently being treated at a Juba hospital. Josephine's interpreter Grace told iRadio on Friday morning that the minister in the office of the president, Dr. Barnaba Mariel Benjamin, and other senior government officials visited the nursing girl in the hospital. For her situation, she is a bit okay, better than before, and the good news is that the whole government is going to full cost for Josephine's support in Nairobi, her interpreter said. Grace stated that President Salva Kiir said sorry to Josephine, her family and the entire country for the incident. Dr. Mariel Benjamin and Jenna Ketch apologized on behalf of the government for the unfortunate incident and convey President's sincere sorry to Josephine, family and entire country, reads a statement from the celebrity. According to her, the government will cater for all costs of her treatment, including air tickets to Nairobi. So, she is going to be transferred to Nairobi. Right now we are in process of processing Josephine's mum documents plus her documents to send them directly to one of the persons who is responsible to book our ticket, then we'll traveling to Nairobi. Grace said President Kiir promised to provide security to Miss Deaf after her return from treatment. There is no mention of either the arrest or identification of the culprit.